In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass email in Zoho. We'll go through the process in a simple, practical way, so you can quickly send the same message to multiple contacts from inside Zoho CRM. This is especially useful when you want to share an announcement, follow up with a list of leads, or send a campaign-style message without writing each email one by one. To get started, open your browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation area and click on Contacts. This will take you to the section where all of your saved contact records are listed. From here, you'll need to choose the contacts you want to email. Simply click the checkbox to mark the contact list or the contacts you want included. This step is important because Zoho needs to know exactly who should receive the email before you move forward. After selecting the contacts, click Send Email. At this point, Zoho will ask you to choose a template. Templates are helpful because they save time and keep your messaging consistent, especially when you're sending to a larger group. If you already have a template prepared, you can select it here. If you don't have one yet, click Create Template to make a new one. Once you open the template area, select the template you want to use. Then click Select. After that, you'll be able to customize the message. This is where you can enter or adjust your text so the email says exactly what you need it to say. Take a moment to review the wording carefully, since this message may be sent to many people at once. Make sure your subject and content are clear, professional, and relevant to your audience. When you're done editing the template, click Save. Zoho may then ask where you want to save it. Choose the appropriate location, and then just follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete that part of the process. The exact options may vary slightly depending on how your Zoho account is set up, but the on-screen instructions will guide you. Once everything is ready and your email looks the way you want, click Send. That's it. Your mass email will be sent to the selected contacts. Before sending, it's always a good idea to do one final review for formatting, accuracy, and tone. A quick check can help prevent mistakes and make sure your message looks polished, and that's how to send a mass email in Zoho.